Madam Kasiong, bago po ang hearing na ito, nag-usap na po ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez?
Pwede pa ulit po?
Bago itong hearing na ito, kasi nag-conduct kami ng hearing ng Joint Committee hearing ng Games at saka Public Order and Safety. Doon una na ikaw ay na-cite in contempt. That is why you are here today. Magmula nung hearing na yon, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez? Kasi marami siyang alam na hindi ko alam eh. Hindi, investigator ako iha. Sana matandaan mo yun. Makuha mo yun. Kasi pagpasok ko dito kanina nung ikaw, ay kung magtingin na kayo ni Honorable Fernandez, may ibig sabihin eh. Oo, lingon ka ng lingon sa kanya. Akala ko nga siyang abogado mo kanina iya, hindi si Attorney Topacio eh.
Wala pa.
Nag-textan kayo o nag-usap kayo cellphone? Yes or no? O bakit ka nakatingin kay Honorable Fernandez?
Once lang yan, pare.
O nangungumpisal na siya?
Once.
Once lang po.
Ang text o pag-uusap?
Tell the truth.
Text and usap po, once lang po.
So, once na text, once na usap.
Yes.
Opo.
Now, Madam Kasiong, kanina nung si Honorable Luistro ang nagtatanong po sa inyo, eh para bang ayaw niyong sumagot. Tinanong pa kita, what was your answer? Ang sagot mo sa akin, I refuse to testify. Bakit noong si Honorable Gutierrez at saka si Honorable Fernandez ang nagtanong, relax kang sumagot. Kaya tuloy ako, hindi nagtanong kanina. Oo, dahil kanina refuse to testify ang kwan mo, sagot mo iha eh. Oo, kaya tuloy hindi na ako sa nagtanong. Pero napansin ko nung yung mga gwapong lalaki ang nagtatanong, eh sumagot po kayo. At relax na. May I know the reason why?
Okay, can I explain po, di ba? Nung una, I really want to refuse to answer po. And then, kinausap po ako ng abogado ko na magsalita ng committee na to. That's why nagsalita po ako. Tumiming lang po talaga kay Madam Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Yun lang po ang naobserbahan ko kasi marami pong salamat.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Mr. Chair,
Because we
ako na.
have a pending, no, it's not a pending motion, but we have a already approved that Miss Cassandra Leong will be were cited in contempt
Si Chairman Paduano na yon.
twice. So, after this, of course, the Sergeant at Arms will bring her to Mandaluyong.
Mr.
If
Chairman.
our motion or our approval of that motion stays. But since she cooperated, no, rightly with all of us, I think we have to. I think it is incumbent upon us to withdraw that.
You're not the
motion.
movant, co-chair, Dan? Mr. Chairman?
Dadali sa Mandaluyong yan, kayo rin.
And what is the pleasure of the
Mr.
body?
Chair, the motion to cite her for contempt stays, but the motion to bring her to Mandaluyong,
Of course, the Sergeant at Arms will bring her to Mandaluyong.